starry night. Paint your palette blue and gray. Look out on the summer's day, with eyes that know the darkness in my soul. Shadows on the hill, sketch the hills and the daffodils, touch the breeze and the winter chills, in colors in the snowy linen land. Now I understand what you tried to say to me, how you suffered for your sanity, how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they listen now.